In the category of character transformations that relate to a change of belief, perception, or behavior, what are some examples? Well, let's say that you have a man who is a con artist, and then he gets caught by the police and is reformed and devotes the rest of his life to helping the police, to helping them understand criminality of this kind of activity. Another example, a man is cynical, jaded. He believes that everybody's got an angle. And by the end of your story, he is transformed, and he now believes in the goodness of humankind. These follow a similar arc where we start bad and end up good. You could also have someone who starts out good, whether they're naive or gullible or just genuinely innocent. And something happens, and they decide, you know what? I'm going to be that person with the angle. I'm going to be the person who's getting one over on other people the way it was done for me, to me, for so long. Can go either way. It all works as long as there is that satisfying sense of rightness, fitting, and that it is, in fact, a major transformation. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the subject, how you handle transformations. I read all the comments. If this video had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.